Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect your Marvel rivals to Twitch. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to link your Twitch account to your Marvel rivals, you need to simply tap open your Marvel rivals. Once you open it, you need to now tap on the login button to get logged in into your account. Once you have done this, you need to now simply fill in your credentials by choosing your login account. So once you have tapped on any of the login account, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on your profile that is right besides the download option. After you have done this, you need to simply go in My Account section. Once you have tapped on My Account as well, you will be now redirected into this kind of interface. So once you are here, you need to simply tap on the option called Connections. After you have found the Connections option, hit on Twitch and tap on Connect. Once you tap on Connect, you need to now simply authorize Twitch and Marvel rivals to be connected with each other. After you have given the authorization as well, you will be successful in connecting your Marvel rivals with your Twitch. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.